Did the 2023 JLARC study. This is what the research shows, that small divisions like us spend more per pupil than larger divisions, because if you have a special program, say a pre-calc or a calculus class, something like that, we might have 1 or 2 sections of that. But a larger division might have enough students for a whole section for a whole teacher, right? So we have to shift people around, have singletons and stuff like that. It does make a difference. But the small divisions, typically, this is the JLARC study, we spend more per student than, we have more cost per students than we do, more staff than a larger division. Funding per student in other states, Virginia, you can see Virginia's here. It gives us the 2023. You can see the other states, the 50 state average, the South Atlantic regional average, our border states, North Carolina, Tennessee, and these areas. And then that's the key formula. Since fewer staff are needed, and the number of employees in work group estimate. 750 staff, and 408 of those are funded through SOQs, 342 of those are through local dollars, which puts the impact on our local government, our board of supervisors, because the rest of that money has to come from somewhere. So it really impacts the locality more so than that. So I just want to say thank you to y'all for supporting that, and Senator for the work y'all done there, because it was vital, desperately needed for us and other school divisions across the state. Again, the big thing is they can't fund from the local dollars, fund projects of this big, of $30-some million projects. We need state support there. If the Madison Heights developments come to fruition that have been proposed and have talked about, that's going to require a new elementary school eventually. That's going to be a $50 to $60 million on today's money. In 10 years, who knows what it's going to be, project for a school. So we just need to think about that. And as, again, the county, with the limited resources we have as a county, we need some state support with that. Here at the high school, we had 106 nicotine vapes confiscated. Those are the ones we found on students. We had 36 THC vapes, or marijuana-based vapes, hemp-based vapes, whatever you want to call them. So 36 students were just caught with a THC-based vape or under the influence of that vape.